Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to another episode of Business Talk with Satish Sampan. As I promised you, this channel is not just about one-way communication. This is also about giving some kind of a training, or this is also about giving some kind of a pedagogies which the startup founders or MBA students, business students can use, and then they can grow their knowledge and adapt and try to visualize what can happen in the near future. So we are starting something called What Will You Do? This is a series which kinds of throw the viewers in kind of a situation where I will be giving you a small situation. It may be a real situation or a hypothetical situation. I will, as much as possible, try to give you a real situation which has happened to somebody somewhere. Okay. So in this situation, if you put yourself in that shoe, okay, and if you're the owner of that company or if you're the senior management of that company, okay, what will you do? So it is predominantly like a case study, but giving a case study in a video is very difficult because a lot of facts has to be told. So we have diluted that, and I'm trying to give it to you in a way that this filling the gaps, that is like what will you do series, will make you think of situations, and that will in turn make you go and work towards what are all the parameters which are involved, what are the internal parameters, what are the external parameters, human related parameters, okay, whether it is stock or logistics, like what kind of those impact in your business. So this gives you an avenue to make your mind go to the places which you have not seen as of today, and which you wish, which we all hope we will not be seeing. So this is more or less like pushing you to a situation and then trying to make you feel that particular situation, and what will you do in that situation. Okay, and before going into this, let me put it to you very clearly: there is no correct answer or there is no wrong answer, and it is not something which is an evaluating things. Also, this is for your growth. If you can think of this situation, and if you think that, okay, if I am there, what is that I will do, and start your research, you will, the journey will actually give you a lot of information, lot of new knowledge, and as a business owner or as a budding entrepreneur, okay, you will be ready if at least 50% or 30% of such situation comes in your life. So with this, let me go to the first thing. Excuse me. Okay, the situation is like this. Think of it like a story. You are a business owner and you own a very large gift shop or gift store. Whichever brand comes to your mind, just imagine that. You have a very large space, and you are very famous also. There is a lot of clients uh, who are waiting for coming and doing shopping in your store. You have around 150 employees. You have around 30 suppliers from whom you buy it and then you in turn sell it. You have it's a month of December. Christmas is just around the corner. The excitement level is extremely high, and you have also stocked all your products. You are expecting a very high sale this year. Just 20 days before Christmas, there was a very heavy, unfortunate fire accident, and the entire store and also your stockyard, which is just backside to your store, is completely ravished, and it is gone, irrecoverable. Okay, there are hardly any products which are left, even though the fire services were able to come, but they were not able to come on time. So the damage is irreparable. This is the year where your prediction was there will be a bigger rush, and a lot of products which you were buying with money upfront will sell and yield you a very large profit. Your cash liquidity, cash in hand, and cash in bank is hardly enough to pay even 15 days of pay or salary to your employees. Just think of a situation. This has happened today, okay? And tomorrow you have to go down there, and tomorrow is a fresh day. You go down there and you have to take charge and you have to do something for this. What will you do? What are all the parameters that you will consider? What is the alternative that you will look for? How will you handle the client line who are waiting to come to your store and buy the gifts for their loved ones? They would have already chosen what is required. Maybe they would have even given you a online order. Maybe they would have even used your coupon card, or used your some kind of a program where they pay money on an equal installment basis, and then they buy the product at the end of the term period. Think of all those situations. How are you going to handle those clients? What about your supplier? They have given their product to you. Of course, there are products where you have given upfront cash, 100% cash, and hence they are not going to be bothered about it because their collection has already come. Think of the other suppliers who have extended a line of credit for you. How are you going to handle them? And last but not the least, how will you handle your employees? Employees are the nervous system of organization. How will you handle them? Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, you will have to address them. What is that you're going to tell them? Are you going to tell them saying that I'm so sorry because of everything, I'm not going to pay you, don't expect anything from me? Or are you going to say that, don't worry, I am with you, let's all together do it? But if you're going to say that, how are you going to keep your word? Just think of this situation, friends. As I said, there is no correct answer, there is no wrong answer. This exercise is purely to increase your visualization and risk prediction skills. As a startup owner, if you are keeping yourself ready for such unimaginable situations, of course you'll be surprised if something is going to happen. It's not going to be like you or you expect what is going to come, but at least you'll be prepared to say that, okay, fine, it has happened, what next? Okay, so I hope it's a topic of discussion worth speaking, and it's a topic where you can invest your time. It's worth investing your time. Send in your ideas, send in your discussion points, send it by email. I will be very happy to look and read through it. We will start correspondence offline this video also. Let us build a relationship, a mutually positive relationship where there is a very good transaction of ideas for a mutual growth. My email ID is talk, T-A-L-K, Satish, S-A-T-H-I-S-H, @gmail.com. biztalksatish@gmail.com. I look forward to your email. I hope you like this video. I hope you like what our channel is trying to bring. If you like, please support us by subscribing to this channel. Like the video, share it to your friends, and always come back when a new video is there. I will be very happy to see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.